An age-old problem has again resurfaced in Montego Bay, St. James: rats. The St. James Health Department says it's because of the lack of maintenance of the People's Arcade, which is owned by the Jamaica Railway Corporation. The Health Department is now warning the Railway Corporation to take control of the property or face legal action. Prince Moore has details.
The St. James Health Department is again expressing concern about activities at the People's Arcade in Montego Bay, St. James, which could pose a major health crisis. In May last year, Chief Public Health Inspector for St. James, Lennox Wallace, blasted the Jamaica Railway Corporation, JRC, for its poor management of the People's Arcade. Mr. Wallace said there were several health concerns at the arcade which urgently need attention. Fast forward a year and 6 months later, not much improvement. The St. James Health Department Parish Manager says it's full time the JRC takes control of the facility.
There's a huge drain that runs on the perimeter, and we would have seen a blockage. And we have persons who cook in those areas, and we have seen a proliferation of rodents.
The poor management of the arcade also contributed to rats in the town, the country's tourist capital. Our news team reported that rats were in the transport center and the rodents even taking over the Area 1 police headquarters. The health department in 2019 had said that it could cost approximately $3 million to deal with the issue. That had led to then Mayor Homer Davis saying the bill should be sent to the Jamaica Railway Corporation, who has responsibility for the premises. Mr. Davis was furious as he said no matter the measure put in place to prevent a rodent infestation, the problem would return.
No sooner we put 500,000 to set some bins. By the next 2-3 months here that the area is just totally infested with rats again. There must be something that can be done in a more drastic and a more severe way.
Mr. Wallace says if the JRC does not deal with the matter urgently, it will be taken to court.
I have advised the team to go in and to take the necessary actions to ensure that the parish of St. James is protected, and that we use whatever means, to include legal means, to ensure that this property is brought under at least minimum public health, medium public health act.
Prince Moore, TVJ News.